Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a run action in Warhammer Age of Sigmar 4.0. And to do this, first you will need to be in your movement phase, then select the unit that didn't already move. Now you'll be able to roll one dice, then add the roll result to a movement of that unit. In this case, let's say that those Stonecasts are Liberators. They have move characteristic of 5 and now they can move on 6, but after that they can perform for certain things, so be careful with that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.